Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a cosmetic trend that you should definitely drop now if you want to prevent and reverse aging. Now, I know many of us love a good contour, but have you ever noticed how it can actually age you? That's right. When we contour, we often apply too much makeup beneath the cheekbones. The issue with this is that people tend to blend the makeup up towards their temples. As a result, the makeup creates shadows, making your face appear longer and causing jowls to look even more pronounced. So what's the solution? Instead of contouring, try using a natural blush on your cheekbones for a healthy glow. It's much more age-defying and will make you look younger and more vibrant. But remember, there are certain areas where contouring can be beneficial. For example, if you have a double chin or chubby cheeks, contouring can help balance out your face and give it a more sculpted look. Just make sure to keep it light and blend carefully so you don't overdo it. In conclusion, ditching the excessive contouring in favor of natural blush can help prevent and even reverse aging. So there you go, let's embrace our natural beauty together. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great content. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay young at heart.